Hi, everybody. I decided the other day, last week, that I wanted to become a Color Street stylist. So, if you haven't heard of Color Street before, they are adhesive nail, like decal type things that are out there. And I've used them before in the past and loved them because they were one of the only things that actually stay on my nails. Nail polish does not. And honestly, I don't really want to spend the money to go to the nail salon once a month or every other week to get my nails done. This is a very inexpensive way for me to have my nails done and have them look very nice without the money. And they're fun, and my kids love them. I can put them on my kids. The girls absolutely die for them. They're easy, they're quick. I've tried other brands that aren't so quick, that are kind of a pain to put on, that you have to heat, and they just did not work well for me at all whatsoever. But these are not like that. They are so easy and simple. So I am going to do an unboxing of my kit that I received today in the mail. I've been waiting all day to do this. I have been driving since like 11 o'clock today, and I just got home, and I have about a 20-minute window to do this. So I'm going to take advantage of the time that I have and show you guys what is in my kit. So hold on, and I will show you what we've got. Okay, here we go. Here is my kit. It is still sealed on the bottom. You can see it's got these little stickers to seal the box. And I am going to cut those with something. Okay, so this is the box, and it came sealed. We are going to take off the stickers on the bottom so that we can easily open it up. And here we go. So exciting. Oh, there's so many fun things in here. Okay. So we have the first very top thing is a set of strips for a pedicure. Now, this is a new product of Color Street. I don't remember how new it is, but I was excited to see them on the website the other day when I was looking at products. And these are beautiful coral glitter color. I cannot wait to try these. It looks like they're just a little bit shaped a little different so that they're gonna fit your toenails a little bit better, which is great. Very excited about that. And then it looks like there are a bunch. Holy smokes, there's a lot in here. All of these are nail strips that you get in your set. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Ooh, those are pretty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is another one of my favorites. 11, 12. Now these are petites, which is another new product, which is great. These are for people with small hands or smaller nails, or for kids. I don't think they're labeled as kids because they can fit just some smaller nails. But we've got that one. And this, my girls are very excited to try these because the other strips, even though they work, sometimes we do have to cut them down a little bit because a full pack of the regular strips don't always have enough of the smaller sizes to fit their little hands. So excited about that too. Doing good, Color Street, with updating your stuff. And then I have a ton of samples. Wow, look at all this. I'm not even going to show you guys all these, but there is a lot. So with these samples, if you guys are interested in trying these, if you've never tried Color Street before, you have to try them. Just send me either a private message or note in the comments below, and I am more than happy to send you a free sample set like this that you can put on your nails. They are so easy to do. I'll do some more videos later on to show you how to apply the nail strips. They're so easy and so quick to do. This is cool. I got some nice new nail files. Some more over here. Blocks. Looks like 2 of those. And underneath is all of your goodies for being a stylist. looks like maybe like a welcome letter and instructions on how to apply them. Ooh, this, I think this is the bag. It's like a little tote. Ooh, and then because I decided to become a stylist in the month of October, which I'm glad I waited until now, I actually received 5 extra set of nail strips. So these must be those. These are the fall line. Oh, these are so cute. Way cuter in person. I don't know if you can see those, but they're little paisleys. And some have a black background and some have a white background. And these look like a solid color. That's a pretty color too. These are fun. Ooh, I think one of my daughters wanted these. And ooh, these are pretty gold. Love, fun. I think these are all part of the fall line that they have out right now. There's a set of little teeny nail files for parties, or nail bars, I think is what they call them. So if anybody wants to do a little nail bar at their house, I would be more than happy to come over and host one of those for you. That would be so fun. Nail polish remover pads. And these are remover pads, and then these are nail prep pads. So before you adhere these strips, you want to prep your nail with just rubbing it with the prep pads. I'm not sure what these are. It looks like colorful opportunities brochures, some catalogs, and it looks like a little how-to manual to be successful. So fun. I am so excited to do this. I am not a super outgoing person. It takes me a while to warm up to people. So I'm hoping that doing something like this will kind of force me to get out there. Once people get to know me, I kind of open up pretty quickly, but until then I'm kind of shy and quiet. But I would love to host a nail bar for anybody that's interested. And I'm going to also do a launch party in a couple weeks, just online. And if you guys are interested, definitely let me know now. I can send you out some samples before the launch party so that you can try out the strips beforehand. That way you know how they work, you know if they're going to work for you, which I don't think I've ever had anybody try them and not like them. They are so great. This is the one product that actually stays on my nails. They stay on my daughter's nails. They're fun. They're inexpensive, but they're fun, and it's just awesome. You guys have to try them. So send me your email if you guys want a sample, and I will get that out as soon as possible. Thanks, guys. Bye.